This week, we're here in the heart of Manitoba farm country. We're visiting the Hanover Ag Society annual fair, and we're in for a treat. Come along for the ride and learn why this event is world famous. Come on! I'm George, one of the hosts of Great Taste, and today the Manitoba chicken producers are treating us to behind-the-scenes access to the world-famous Grunthal Chicken BBQ here at the Hanover Ag Society Fair. This fair has all the elements of a classic small-town agricultural fair. Rodeo, pancake breakfast, music, antique farm equipment on display, fireworks, and a party in the dirt Manitoba social. But the main attraction is something you won't find anywhere else. Hi Curtis, George.
Hi George.
How you doing?
I'm good. And how are you?
Good, thank you.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of chickens cooking here today. It's a pretty unique way of cooking the chickens. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, we do it on charcoal. We love the flavor of the charcoal in these pits. We have enough here to do about 1,200 pieces of chicken all at the same time. So yeah, it's pretty unique.
That's fantastic. And how long have you been cooking chicken in this way?
Well, I would say we're 50 plus years we've been doing this for the Hanover Ag Society Fair. We do it as a group of chicken producers. We do it together. It's all volunteered.
Can you tell me who's really cooking the chicken today?
We have a couple of chicken farmers that are out here helping, and there's a few of them that take control and take care of the cooking end of it, and there's a few that take control and take care of the food end of it, and everybody just does a little bit of and we work together to get it done.
That's great. Well, who knows chicken better than chicken farmers, right?
That's right, that's right.
And your family has been cooking chicken like this for a few generations, is that right?
Yes, I'm second generation. I think my father did start the barbecue with a couple of producers, and I'm second generation. And my daughters are also here. They'll be at the front. So we're three generations in here. Yeah.
And this chicken cooking here today, where does it come from?
Well, we are processors in Manitoba. We have two processors. One is Sunrise and one is Exceldor. Exceldor has donated the chicken for this year. So we use both of them for donation, and they're very willing to participate.
What would you like consumers to know about how chicken is grown in Manitoba locally?
Yes, we are very high on humane handling and biosecurity. Our biosecurities and our humane handling is of top importance. Also barn conditions and environment. That's why we can produce chicken year-round, because we keep them in the barns so that we can use heat when we have to in the winter to keep them comfortable, or in summertime we have the sprinkler systems, and we try to keep them at optimum temperature so that our growing conditions are the best.
That's fantastic. Yeah, people always think about keeping animals warm in the winter, but I hadn't thought about giving some air conditioning for the chickens as well.
We have a lot of fans moving air and lots of stuff like that.
That's great. So you can get fresh, local chicken raised well all year round.
All year round.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
We believe every ingredient tells a story, and thanks to sponsors like the Manitoba chicken producers, we get to help tell them. Subscribe for more made in Manitoba stories for Manitobans. All right, we've been waiting all day to taste this chicken, so let's dig in.
Right on.
You like it, Hayes?
Special seasoning blend on here, really delicious. I've heard it's a secret recipe. Can you tell me the recipe?
We honestly don't know it. I honestly don't.
It's a secret lost to time.
Yeah. Only Spice World actually knows the recipe.
Okay.
No one does.
That's fair.
So.
Well,
if I knew it, I would make it, but.
Yeah. Well, we're enjoying it now. Has it ever been so popular that you haven't been able to grab a plate yourself?
Always. It's always very busy. We've sold out multiple times, but we try our best to get a meal if we can, but there is times that we've sold out.
That's great. Well, that's the goal.
Yep,
Yeah.
always.
And what's your favorite part of farm life?
Everything about it. I love just having like the kids on the farm, having the kids go into the barns. They love the chickens. My daughter is obsessed with them. Yeah, even just having the kids involved with everything is great. So
Nice.
just the life in general is something that we strive for.
Yeah, it's not just an occupation. It's
Yes.
it's a family. It's a
For
lifestyle.
sure.
Yeah.
It's a lifestyle for all of us.
If you enjoyed this story, stay tuned for more as we are sharing new recipes and stories every Friday. Whether you're here for inspiration, information, or just some good company in the kitchen, you're in the right place. So there you go. This amazing event is all organized by local farmers. No chefs, no caterers, no frills, just fire, family, and food. It's a perfect example of the power of food and what makes Manitoba's agricultural communities so amazing. Hanover Ag Society, we will be back. This was a great day. Cheers.